How to use Waze while driving. So Waze is a popular GPS navigation app that offers real-time traffic updates, route suggestion, and alerts about road hazards. So it allows user to contribute data to improve the experience for everyone on the road. So here's the step-by-step guide for that. So you have to watch this video till the end. Let's dive into the process. First of all, you have to download and set up your Waze app. Before you start, you have to ensure that you have installed the Waze app on your device, which is available for both Android and iOS device. Just navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Waze here. Once you have searched for the Waze, you have to install this on your device. Wait until the installation has been successfully completed. Once the Waze has Once the Waze app has been successfully downloaded, you have to tap on the open option here. And after that, follow the on-screen instruction to have your Waze navigation here. So here you can see that. And here you can see the get started option and navigate to your trail line and just go for the OK option, go for the view profile, and you can sign up with your Google account or continue as a guest too. And after that, here you have to select the route. So the Waze offers multiple route based on real traffic. You have to choose the one that works best for you. And here you can see that you have to just go for the home address. And after writing your home address here, you can see that you have to provide your destination too. Here you can see that. So the Waze offer multiple routes based on, so you can see the will route you, reroute you if traffic conditions change. So you will get the notification about the accident, speed trap, hazard, and road closure. So you can go back here. Once you are here, you can also report the hazard option. So you can tap on the report button to notify others about the incident, accident, or hazard. So the Waze will also notify you when you arrive and you can rate your trip or in the navigation. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.